Well, I got Ali on my head now. Thinks you wanted my attention for something. Are you okay? Oh, you're making another nest in my hair again. I know I need to get a haircut. I just have a feeling she's going to have a poo on my head. I know she's got wet poos today, which is a nightmare. So I'm going to put my hand behind her feet so that she doesn't have a poo on me. What are you doing up there? She's just standing guard. Hey, looking cute as ever. Don't need to get up and walk around for a minute. Nope. Hang on. There you go. Oops. Let's go over there. Birds are always so funny when they're resting on top of you, especially when you have no idea what they're normally doing unless you can see them. Oh no! Please don't have a poo on me. This is just another video to show how much these birds actually do tend to sit on my head. It drives me nuts because I'm constantly tripping over things whenever I walk around, and they sit on me because they want me to walk around with them on, because they like being on a surface where they're being moved around, and that's why their head's always moving around. Because it's like people say, it's like an Uber. But you have to watch where you walk, obviously. Otherwise you'd be walking into everything. And have a lovely day.